Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video if you have a Ford vehicle. It could be any Ford Focus, C-Max, Edge Explorer, F150 guys, doesn't matter what it is. If it's newer vehicle, you will need to reset the battery management system to program that you install new battery. Every time you replace the battery, you replace BCM, the body control module, or other electrical components that require the battery reset procedure. So stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. If you don't do it guys, if you install new battery, okay, the vehicle may actually not keep charged correctly. It may keep overcharging the new battery because it thinks it has the old battery. So it's very important to program it and make sure that you get the most life out of the new battery as well. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos for you. If you need to buy new car batteries, the two that we'll be using to reset it, all that will be shared in the description of the video below. You can check out the link and you can save quite a bit of money. So let's explain what we'll be doing here. This specifically is a Ford C-Max that we'll be demonstrating on. This C-Max, okay, is practically a regular vehicle. The only difference is that it's a hybrid, but still has the gasoline engine and all that stuff. Now, when you open your car, your Ford, you need to find the OBD port. Sometimes it may be like a cover like that, or under the dash usually somewhere. The OBD port looks like that. And we're going to connect that to, this is the Think 2, it's an amazing one. I will put which one exactly this one is in the description of the video below and where you can buy it for a really cheap price guys. So, what we need to do, we need to turn, okay, the ignition switch on, okay, like that. Turn the ignition switch on your Ford vehicle. Next guys, that Think 2 actually, it works with your phone, which makes it super convenient. And all you have to do, open the app, okay, and the app guys, right here you have all system diagnostics. You can scan every computer system in your car. These modern Fords may have up to 50 computer systems. You can read codes, delete codes, and see live data, which makes it super helpful. You can even do programming guys, kind of like a dealer level equipment in your pocket. Maintenance functions, OBD functions, reports. If you go to maintenance functions, right here on top it says reset BMS. Okay, reset BMS, that's the battery monitor system. It's communicating now, establishing communication with the little device. And once it does that, okay, it's going to tell us what we need to do. Now, we'll select the vehicle that we have, Ford. Here, we have our specific model, it's C-Max, but you can see you have the Edge, Escape, Escort, Everest, multiple things, F150, Flex, Focus, Ford GT guys, multiple cars. We select C-Max 2.0 engine. Ours is the plug-in hybrid. You might need to select, okay, pick your model. It says switch on ignition. Our ignition switch is already on. Okay, so we click OK. Here BMS reset, that's battery monitor system reset. Switch the ignition to on position, it's already on. It says this procedure resets the battery monitoring system. You need to perform this in case the battery is replaced in the vehicle with a new one. The BCM, body control module, is replaced or reprogrammed, and the BMS reset is required if you did a repair that requires that as well. All you do is say yes, and then BMS reset complete. You go OK, so set ignition to switch off. We're going to switch it off. We click OK. And we're ready guys, okay, this is it, that's all it takes, okay, to get that thing practically ready. And that's how easily you do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.